guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Adriana Lima's makeup look from the Oscars. The Oscars were about 2 weeks ago. Last week I did a JLo inspired Oscar makeup look, but today I wanted to do Adriana Lima's makeup look. So this was Adriana's makeup look from the Oscars. You will see her makeup is so bold and beautiful, and she was wearing like a white dress. So I wanted to recreate Adriana's makeup look because her look was really classic old Hollywood glamour, and her makeup was done by none other than Patrick Ta. I'll link his Instagram down below and the picture as well that I'm going to be referencing today. And because this is such an easy makeup look, I decided to use all drugstore products for this video. So I think some of you guys will really enjoy that. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start with my base makeup first because the eyes in Adriana's look is really simple. It's pretty much a winged liner. If you have seen Patrick Ta's work before, you know that skin is very important to him. Every time he does a client, their skin is always glowy, very dewy, very healthy looking. So that's what we're going to do today. First off, I'm going to start off with the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid in the shade 200, which is a medium. And I'm going to put that all over my face. This is going to help make my skin look really dewy and really glowy. The color for this is a little bit on the peachy side, so my skin color might look a little bit different, but there's no need to worry. I have a few pimples going on here which I have to cover up. For my foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter stick and literally just swipe it across. It's really simple. It's a medium coverage foundation, and that's gonna cover up a lot of my pimples and stuff right here. And this foundation stick is not matte, it's pretty much a natural finish. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in closer, and then we're gonna get started with the eye look. Okay, so if you see Adriana's makeup, she has her winged liner on, and then there's a line in the lower lash line. To get a precise wing, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Studio gel liner. This is a really good gel liner, and I do use it on some of my clients as well. So I have taken an angled brush. I'm gonna place my mirror right here very close. So where the lower lash line is, just draw a line out like that. And don't worry about cleaning it up right now, just make the line. Then I'll do the same thing here. Because her eyeliner is not that winged out, not that much, so this much of a line is okay. Now I'm gonna just join the wing. I think Patrick has just kept the wing to the outer corner. Take the same black liner and then run it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with a black liner. This is the Loreal liner, and just intensify that line. So now the thing is, because Adriana has hooded eyes, so when she looks up actually, then the eyeliner kind of covers her whole eyelid, so which is not the case for me. So it's gonna look a little bit different, but nonetheless the eyeliner I think is done. It looking good. So on my crease, I'm just gonna go in with a brown shade right here, just for a little bit of definition, but it doesn't look like there's much on her eyes. So this is just for a little bit of definition. So I'm going to go in with mascara next, and for that I'll use my Colourpop BFF mascara. Again, really simple. Okay, so I'll add on some false lashes and I'll be right back, and then we'll get to finishing off the rest of our makeup. So while we let the lash glue dry, I'm going to continue working on the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm starting to like this concealer now. It's really, really good coverage. So we're going to blend this in. Also use this to clean up the line over here. I'm going to take this flat brush by Colourpop and just clean up. So to contour my face, I'm going to go in with this Milani contour stick. I love this contour stick. I'm going to blend this in with a Morphe brush. I'm going to do the same thing for my nose. I'm going to set my face using the new Revlon Candid Photo Ready powder. I'm going to use the same Real Techniques brush to set my face. Next up I'm going to go in with is my Maybelline City Bronzer. I'm absolutely loving this powder right now. So I'm going to take a bronzer brush and lightly bronze. Okay, so looking at her picture, it doesn't really look like she has much of a blush on. I'm going to use my Morphe palette. Actually, I'm going to probably go in with MUA because it's the more like natural sort of blush. Because it just kind of blends it with the bronzer. So it's a very natural blush shade. I love this one. Blush is done. Next up is highlight. I'm going to use my Colourpop Innuendo palette. Go in with this shade over here called Fine Line. I'm going to use my Colourpop brush for this. Last bit we have is lipsticks. For that, I'm going to go in and mix two shades today. I'm going to go in the outer corner with this one, which is the Maybelline Color Blur. This one is Colourpop Chateau. So I'm going to mix the two shades today. Her lip is more of like a burgundy lip rather than a plum. So we have to be careful about that. So I'm going to line my lips first with this. So I'm going to use that in the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with Colourpop Lippy Stick in the shade Chateau. This is more of that like burgundy color. Okay, so I finished my makeup look, guys. This red lip is not looking exactly like Adriana's, but it's close enough. It's looking a little bit more plum, and hers is a little bit more on the red side, but you know, it's fine. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Alright guys, so that completes today's video on recreating Adriana Lima's makeup look from the Oscar night. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!